What did you know? It's snowing again. Oh, gotta check the lenses again. Oops. Sorry about that. Needed to check if it was working alright. Oh, typical. My face was zoomed in, so let me just check. The first attempt, my face was zoomed in, so I didn't want to do that. So this is take 2. Just before I start the weather forecasting video, I just wanted to point out something that I know may not be noticeable to some of you, but then again, it depends on the content, and my content is kind of still marginally small. But in a short space of time, for the week or just over, I've lost 5 subscribers. I don't usually lose that many in just a short period of time. But I don't know whether it may be something to do with the meteor video or something, or any content that was like confusing, or I don't know, something that wasn't like my channel or anything, which I never wanted to agree with anything with that. And as you know, guys, if you have any like comments or well, questions or concerns, or whether something isn't right about channel or what needs improving or whatever, just comment below. I always wanted to try and make everything right and everything all redeemable for all of you guys, so you're intrigued by what I'm doing, and I never want to disappoint you all, never at all in every single video. And like I said, you're always free to comment below, or just give me some advice, maybe seeing what I can do, and anything with that for my channel, for anything in the future, just please let me know, alright? And I want to try and just make everything all suitable for you guys, as always. Generally my interest with the weather. The meteor video, I know it didn't have much to do with the weather, but it's still kind of linked to what, it could be like space weather or anything, and that's why I did that video a couple of days ago. So I hope you understand me on that, and as I said, if you want any comments, if you want me to do anything better on my channel, just comment below, and it's on the description as well. Right, started out late. It's snowing! Woo! Didn't want snow. Got a busy week ahead. Thankfully, what's that week ahead going to bring with the weather? Let's recap for that again. The week ahead's weather. The weather is expected to be, well, it'll be bye-bye to the snow, and hello to the milder but wetter weather. The weather will be definitely be turning a lot milder, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. But unfortunately it's not going to be settled though. It will be turning quite windy, especially again midweek again. No storms just yet, and also some heavy rain around, especially on Wednesday. So not going to be looking pretty, I'm afraid. But the end of the week, looking a bit cooler, and eventually winds will ease down and we'll see more sunshine. So very changeable weather, but definitely not as cold. So let's go through the next 5 days, including this week's weather, today's weather. Today's weather, as we know, unexpected snow around. A day or two ago, it was forecast lots of rain. So the snow will, I know it's going to bring in around 2 to 3 centimetres, but by the end of the day, it will be converted back into rain. So the white wintry weather is not going to be all that long. Temperatures eventually may reach up as high as 4 degrees Celsius, and well, chance of rain, snow, both precipitations 100%. It will generally be a bit more in the way of rain overnight. We will still see further spells of light rain overnight. It will definitely be enough to melt the snow still. Temperatures will be a few degrees above freezing. So temperatures probably lows of 4 degrees Celsius, I guess, so where the air's turning milder. And chance of rain overnight 40%. So let's go through Monday's weather tomorrow. Now Monday, much different day on Monday. It's going to feel a lot warmer as well. The wind's not too strong at this stage, so a fine and calm day with some sunny spells around. Very, very, very isolated chance of a shower. Many of you will stay dry, and temperatures much closer to average, what we should expect, with highs of around 8 degrees Celsius. Chance of rain will be around 10%. Then on Tuesday, well, it's the transition of more unsettled weather once again arriving. So Tuesday, quite a cloudy picture. Again, quite mild though. Temperatures in double figures, around 11 degrees Celsius. But there will be some outbreaks of light patchy rain at times, and the winds will be increasing a little bit as well. So even though the air will feel a bit milder, it's not going to feel that great still. So still making sure you wrap yourself up warm, even if it's not near freezing conditions, like right now. Temperatures 11 degrees Celsius, chance of rain 40%. Wednesday possibly could be quite an unsettled and maybe possibly disruptive day as well. Some heavy rain around throughout much of the day. Timing uncertain though, when the rain is expected to due, but the thinking is it's likely to maybe start early afternoon, late morning. Timings could still be subject to change, so keep an eye on the weather. And also the winds are going to be very strong. Gusts could potentially reach 40 to 50 miles per hour, so please keep an eye on checking on the weather. Another mild day, 12 degrees Celsius. Chance of rain will be around 90%. But by the time we get to Thursday, it'll still be a bit windy, especially early in the day. But we'll be seeing some northerly winds as that low pressure clears away. Low pressure to the east and high pressure to the west. Winds circulating from a pretty chilly direction, so it's not going to get warmer by Thursday, unfortunately. Plenty of sunshine though. Still feeling a bit raw though, with some strong winds. So highs of around 8 degrees Celsius on Thursday, but a much drier picture. Chance of rain will be around 10%. And by Friday, finally, a settled day, plenty of sunshine, the winds will be a lot lighter as well, so temperatures will approach around 7 degrees Celsius, and chance of rain, once again, very low, at around 10%. Always uncertainty by the time we get to next weekend. The thinking is, it probably may be a little bit on the changeable side, not completely stormy though, but a little bit on and off. So let's go through the next 7 to 10 days. So Saturday 28th January, the thinking is, we may see a few morning showers, we'll see some sunshine, temperatures will be around 9 degrees Celsius at the moment, chance of rain will be around 30%. For Sunday 28th January, probably a calm day, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures milder again, 12 degrees Celsius, chance of rain will be around 10%, and probably both for Monday the 29th and Tuesday the 1st of January, may see a few showers around, temperatures will be double figures, 10 to 11 degrees Celsius, chance of rain around 30 to 40%. Right. That's the weather for the week ahead. Hope you got that clearly. So yes, guys, make the most of well, we may not want to, but some of you make the most of the wintry weather. It's not going to last at all. So yeah, I'm turning very changeable as well this week. I just want to point out to you that next week there will be no weather forecast video. Next week Sunday, yes, I'm going away, I'm afraid, on holiday for a week. So I'll be returning. The weather forecast will be back on Sunday the 4th of February. However, I'm not leaving until next weekend, so I'm still free to do any content you want me to do throughout the weekend, guys. You are free to do that. Just comment below what you want me to do. And like I said before, any content needs improving, you know what to do. Just comment below and give me advice. That's fine by me. And always on Wednesdays, the weekly weather summary will be up, including this. So you'll definitely see that on Wednesday, a full 1-minute version. That's all I've got to let you know. It's no long video, but just a lot of explaining to do. I hope you got me clearly, and yeah, I'll be back very soon. Storm is now out.